Many Indians usually eat raw food and use fridge more than freezer. Now, you can use freezer like fridge by switching your refrigerator to convertible mode. In normal mode, refrigerator works normally with fridge and freezer. In convertible mode, you can convert the freezer to fridge. So, you can take advantage of extra fridge. How to activate convertible mode? To activate convertible mode, press and hold freezer button for 3 seconds. The LED will blink for 3 times. When the LED starts glowing continuously means the convertible mode is activated. To adjust temperature settings in convertible mode, press fridge button to change the temperature. Temperature can be adjusted from 1 degree Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. To cancel the convertible mode, press and hold the freezer button again for 3 seconds.